Hello everyone, and welcome to SGS College. My name is David Withey, and I'm the CEO and Principal here at the college. It gives me great pleasure to welcome you here. Whether you're joining us for the very first time or returning to continue your learning with us at the start of this year, I want you to know that you are now part of a vibrant, ambitious and supportive college community. At SGS, we believe that education should be about more than just your course or your qualification, though those things are, of course, very important. It's about the whole experience, helping you to discover who you are, what you can achieve, and where you want to go next. That's why we've built our programs and our enrichment offer to support you as an individual. From your studies to our wraparound support offer to the many ways we engage with employers and universities, everything at SGS is designed to help prepare you for your next step. We're proud to be a college that places learners at the heart of everything that we do, and you're going to find your voice really matters here, whether that's through feedback, partnership work, or other things that we do to shape the future of the college. We're also really proud to be connected with our local community and all of the employers in the local community. So we make sure that your learning is relevant and that it opens real doors to your future. As you begin this new academic year, my message to you is really simple. Please, please, please take every opportunity. Be curious, be ambitious, and don't be afraid to step outside of your comfort zone. SGS is a safe space to try new things, learn from mistakes, and grow in confidence. You're the next generation of creators, innovators, and leaders, and our job here is to help you unlock your potential, and we really can't wait to see what you will achieve. So on behalf of the staff and the whole SGS community, I welcome you really warmly to the college. Let's make this year a year of growth, challenge, and success together, and we really look forward to supporting you on your journey through SGS. Thank you, and I'll see you around campus.